Hey everyone, we have a Whirlpool dishwasher here that is leaking water. So I realized there was some water coming from underneath, and we're gonna check into it and see what's going on. So first thing we're gonna do, first step is gonna be to take this piece down here off. So you'll have like little screw type things you can just loosen up on each side. Move these out of the way, and we'll be able to pull this out. Now this is going to be kind of gross down here, so I apologize for that. I'm gonna grab a flashlight. So the first things we're going to want to look at is we're going to run the dishwasher, and we're going to see if we're leaking any water from here, or if any of these drain tubes are leaking water. Now I've already gone ahead and dug into it. And if we get really in here, there's a point. Let's see if I can find it. It was right in the center, somewhere in there where it was leaking water. And so I realized it's none of my water coming in or water coming out that's leaking. It's the actual dishwasher itself. So I believe it was right there where my finger's pointing. That water was dripping out of. So we're gonna open up our dishwasher and get to that. So depending on your dishwasher, the steps may be a little different, but I have a screw right here. I already took it out, and a screw on top as well. So what that's gonna do is it's gonna loosen up this piece here. We're also gonna need to get this out the way. So that's pretty simple. You just grab this little piece underneath and turn it counterclockwise, and we can move it out the way. So now that we're in here, we can do one of two things. So depending on yours, you can disconnect this piece here and pull this out. Or in my case, I'm just gonna spin this whole piece like this, pop it up and over, and we have this opening here. So we can remove this, should be able to pull that up, and this gasket right here is what gives problems a lot of times. So one way to test this is to put a little bit of water in here, which I'm going to do that in just a second, and wiggle this around. In fact, there's enough in there to where we might be able to do it. So I'm gonna wiggle this around, almost like that thing is spinning. And then we're gonna come back down here, and we're gonna see if any water is dripping. All right, so you can see the drops of water coming out now. And we are going to replace that gasket. All right, so here it is our, I guess it's called a diverter seal. These are about $6. I'll post the link in the comment below. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna replace it out. And to get it out, I'm just grabbing a knife, and I'm gonna gently try to pry it up. A lot of people use a hook or something along those lines, and that may work a little bit better than this. But somehow we're gonna get this up, and I'm gonna try to use both my hands. So I'm gonna turn the camera off for a second and let you know how to get it out. All right, I was finally able to work it out. I ended up using that little knife and just kind of beat it up a little bit on the way out, but you can even look on the back. It looks pretty worn in the center there. So we have our new piece here. Came out this way up, so we're gonna put this one in the same way the other one came out. All right, so it should pop right over there. We should be able to just push it down and in. That should do that. And we'll start reassembling it the way we took it off. Alright, so next thing's next. We'll put our screws back in here. Put everything back on here the way we found it. And we'll run the dishwasher and see how it turns out. One thing to point out before is make sure that this, when you're spinning it back in, is perfectly flush. It wasn't beforehand, and I just wanted to point that out in case y'all saw it. All right, so the dishwasher's been running for a bit now, and I have no leaking underneath anymore, so that seems to have done the trick. Hope this video helps y'all out if that's your problem. If it did, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button, and thank y'all for watching.